Welcome to our in-depth exploration of a unique architectural gem, nestled in one of the world's snowiest regions, Uonuma, Japan. Known for its breathtaking Koshihikari rice fields and dramatic winter snowfall, this area poses a fascinating challenge for modern architecture. Join us as we uncover how a house here creatively blends indigenous design with contemporary elements to stand out in the snowy landscape. Uonuma's heavy snowfall, with depths reaching up to 2.7 meters, has profoundly influenced local architectural practices. Traditionally, gable roofs have been favored for their snow-shedding properties. However, this project took a bold step by reinterpreting these conventional designs. Instead of mimicking traditional gables, the design innovatively incorporates segmented single-pitched roofs. This approach not only creates a visually dynamic structure, but also addresses practical concerns. The segmented roofs are strategically arranged to prevent snow accumulation, which could otherwise lead to structural damage. The exterior reflects a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. The second floor showcases locally sourced cedar boards, while the first floor features Galvalume, a material known for its durability and sleek appearance. This combination creates a striking visual contrast that embodies both local heritage and contemporary design. Step inside, and you'll find an interior where the complexity of the roof structure becomes a feature in itself. Exposed beams and pillars highlight the intricate design, offering a glimpse into the architectural ingenuity at play. On the first floor, the north-facing kitchen features large windows that frame stunning views of the rice fields and mountains, blending the indoors with the natural landscape. Adjacent to the living room, a spacious porch provides an inviting space for social interactions and relaxation. Moving to the second floor, you'll find a thoughtfully designed layout including a second kitchen, living areas, bedrooms, and workspaces. Each space is meticulously designed to offer panoramic views and a strong connection to the surrounding environment. Custom-made furnishings and well-placed windows enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of each room. Elements often overlooked in modern homes, such as a traditional Japanese-style room and a Buddhist altar, are integrated to create a space that honors both tradition and innovation. As the snow blankets the house, the layered roofs blend seamlessly into the winter landscape, reflecting the region's seasonal changes. This house stands as a testament to how architecture can embrace and reinterpret local traditions while addressing modern needs. This architectural masterpiece in Uonuma illustrates a profound respect for both the environment and cultural heritage. It's a vivid example of how innovative design can coexist with and enhance traditional practices, creating a home that is as dynamic as the landscape it inhabits. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into remarkable architecture from around the world.